welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to report a problem on the Facebook app. If you're encountering issues or something isn't working right, this quick tutorial will guide you through how to let Facebook know. So let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines. This could be at the bottom right on iOS or the top right on Android devices. Scroll through the menu options until you find Help and Support. Tap on it to proceed. Here you can see a report a problem. Under report a problem, Facebook will give you a few options on the type of feedback you can provide. To report something that's not working, tap on something isn't working. Now select the category related to your problem, whether it's an issue with your timeline, photos, or something else. Choose the category that best fits. Describe the problem you're experiencing in the text box provided. Be as detailed as possible to help Facebook understand the issue. If you can, add a screenshot. This can often help illustrate the problem better. Once you've entered all the details, hit send. Facebook will receive your report and work on resolving the issue. And that's it. You've successfully reported a problem on the Facebook app. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.